Okay, we have everything here spread out. So next what I'm going to do is start assembling the airplane, get it ready for tomorrow. And for that, I'm going to put it into fast forward, into time lapse, so you don't get bored. But if there is anything important that I need to point out, I'll come back to real time and show it and tell it. I just would like to point out that all the parts in the hardware bag have been put into individual bags and nicely labeled and referenced in the manual. So it is very easy to follow it 1, 2, 3 ABC. So perfect. After about 1 hour of assembly, it is ready for its maiden flight tomorrow. The only thing is I turned it on maybe midway of the assembly. It was fine, and then about half an hour later it started beeping and that light is blinking. I'm not sure if it is a battery issue. Batteries are the ones that came with the RTF package. And they are supposed to brand new. Maybe they were old or something. I don't know. Maybe they were sitting in the box for too long. I'm not sure. But I'm going to put a fresh AA batteries. But everything is working. I adjusted, so you can see the ailerons, elevator, rudder, and more. They're all working. So I have to initialize. I want to turn it on, put the battery on. You have to initialize by taking the throttle all the way up and down, and then now it's initialized. So I'm going to take the battery out, charge it up, and all should be good for tomorrow. One thing I would like to mention is that there are a lot of spare parts that came with this. So as you can see, there are servo arms here and some extra screws for every little piece you can imagine, and control horns and attachments and more screws. So it is a great package. Even these like silicone tubing that goes onto the clevises that attach to the control horns. So it is great. And the instruction manual is very well written. Although the pictures are the illustrations are a little small. But it's really a complete package, maybe except kind of like stale batteries. And I'm looking forward to flying it tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned for the maiden flight and stay safe and healthy. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.